All right, it's the holiday season. Obviously, I'm wearing this obnoxious sweater, but I'm here with some really cool guys here. They're A to Z junk removal. Now, it's the holiday season. Obviously, people are decorating, and when it's over, it's like, I want a new tree, I want all new ornaments. We got to get rid of all this junk. But then comes spring cleaning and all of that. So it's a great time to spotlight you guys because I think you're doing a great service. So tell us about it. What do you guys do?
So basically, we are a Tulsa-based junk removal company. We can do anything A to Z that you can think of. We do full house cleanouts. We do hoarder house cleanouts.
Nice.
Spring cleaning, garage cleanouts, Christmas tree pickups, stuff like that. We have a full cleaning service also with us that we can come through. And after we're done doing a job, we can have your house clean from top to bottom.
Nice.
Really anything A to Z you can think of, we can do.
So that comes to mind, obviously, like, my investor friends out there, you got, rentals that need to be flipped for the next renter, or even like apartment complexes a lot of times, I'm sure, need that service.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So awesome. And then how does is it by weight, or how do you guys
So basically
price?
how we price is we price by volume. So we do roll-off bin trailers. So we can come drop a bin in your driveway, and you can load that up yourself, and we just drop it off and pick it up. Or we can come in there and do the full service with a trailer, and we can come inside of the house and grab everything out and bring it outside. Or we can clean out your garage and not have to come inside. If you want to set stuff outside, we can do that as well. We just do it however makes it less stressful on you guys. That's how we end up doing it.
Yeah, we try to be flexible with it so we can accommodate everybody's needs for it. Yep.
Awesome. I love that. Easy peasy. So do you guys serve, we're in Tulsa, but like how far out do you guys go?
So we can serve basically anywhere within 50 to 75 miles. Depending on how far it is, there is a travel charge.
Sure.
But yeah, we can kind of handle anything from,
I'd say max we've been to is Claremore, probably out there in the north, and the south end. I've been to probably Henrietta would be our cutoff there.
Yeah.
So,
awesome.
yeah.
Good amount. So how do people find you guys? I mean, is it a website, social media?
So we're big on Facebook. We do a lot of Facebook. So if you look up A to Z on Facebook, you'll find basically who we are, what we're about. You'll see a couple jobs that we've done. We have videos and pictures, and all of our info is on Facebook. We are on Google as well. Normally we try to get out within same day to next day to give you a quote. We do free quotes, so you can call us out there anytime.
Awesome.
And basically just run you through and tell you exactly how we do it, what we do with it, and all that kind of stuff. Everything that is usable or you want to be donated, we try our best to get that donated, whether that be furniture, clothes, different items, anything like that.
Great. Yeah. Love it. Well, thanks so much for having this video. Hopefully, if you're interested in the service, people will find you guys, because I think it is a huge need, especially, people with mobility issues or, disabilities, or you just don't even want to deal with it. You just want to hire somebody else.
Oh, yeah.
These are the guys. I think they do a great job. So if you're curious about them, find them on Facebook, and that's all for now. Go check it out. Get some junk out of your life.
Oh, yeah.